The cat teacher is solving problems in the classroom, but the kitten is already very sleepy. Oh no! When school ended, everyone left and the kitten was still sleeping. In the classroom, the kitten woke up and was surprised to be alone in the classroom, so he also prepared to leave. Oh no! The school has ghosts! The kitten came home and told his father that a ghost had chased him at school and asked his father to get justice for it.